In this video, I'll show you how to install the winter graphics mod in GTA San Andreas and add snow effects. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the basic mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. No stuff here. Right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the required files, drag up all these files inside a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and then go back. Open the number one folder, official vendor, San Andreas directory, and drop these files inside a game folder. Replace the file in the destination, and then go back. Open the number two, send port official vendor, img files. Just drag and drop the img files inside the mod loader folder. Once you've done this, right click on the 14,000 KB and select show more, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through this newly created shortcut. I'll show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.